If your question is, how can I use Dorik AI to create a website? Then this video is for you. Dorik AI is one of the best AI website builders out there. So in this video, I will walk you through how to use Dorik AI to build your website. You don't need to be very good at coding. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything about AI tools and all the online tools you need to streamline and enhance your productivity. If you are new here, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, like and share this video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button for more valuable videos. You can agree with me that creating a new website comes with a lot of hard work, and the price of having one, if you need to pay someone to create it, is also high. But what if I told you that you need to go through all of that anymore? With Dorik AI, you can create your website without any prior coding knowledge and also not having to break the bank. Here's how you can create a new website with Dorik AI.
Introducing Dorik AI, the future of web design is here. I built this website in a matter of minutes using Dorik AI. Here's how I did it. Begin by clicking on Create New Site with AI. Enter the name of your website and describe your website design to the AI. Simply click a button, take a sip of coffee, and watch as Dorik builds your entire website in real time. And your website is ready. Don't like a particular section? Click on Regenerate section. Describe the changes you want to the AI and simply click a button. Count to 5 and done. Don't like your copy? Click on Regenerate content. Again, describe the changes you want and simply click a button and your copy is regenerated. Want professional design suggestions? Click on AI Quick Style on the left sidebar, select a color palette, and preview it instantly. On the website, you can toggle between different color variations and choose the right color for your website design. You can also instantly update your website's font so it looks more professional. Don't like a particular image on your website? Generate a new one using AI. You can find everything you need in one modal. Describe the type of image you want to see and hit Generate. Once your image is ready, click on Use Asset and here is your new image. Use Dorik now to build your website, because having your own website is now a few clicks away.
So that's how to create a stunning website with Dorik AI. Don't forget that Ray Creators Lab brings you everything about AI and online tools. Thank you so much for watching. I am sure you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video and leave a comment below. To be notified about my new videos, please turn on the notification button